And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, let's take a ride. Let's take a ride unboxing the Figurai Standard Kamen Rider Drive. Yes, the most latest Figurai Standard of the Kamen Rider line that just came out. So here in the box art, we see Kamen Rider Drive in his iconic pose when he says, "Let's go for a drive," and attacks and fights the villains. And of course, we have Tridron in the back and the driver. Funny thing to say, right? So, on the side we see drive, front and back, some gimmicks and poses that you can do with him, and you can put different stickers on the belt or belt sun. And yep, information of drive in the show and how the kit was made. So let's open and see what's inside the box. So we are greeted with one sprue with all silver. Second bag has 2 sprues and a sticker sheet. Third bag has 3 sprues. Fourth bag has 2 sprues again and some sticker sheet there. Last bag has 2 sprues and of course a very large sticker sheet. And of course we have the instruction manual on how to drive. And yes, they have finally included this one, wherein it displays all the Figurai Kamen Rider, with drive here being the latest, and the next one is, yes, Gaim, with the last rider being Kiva. So let's take a look individually. Top Gear at the sprues. And first up, we have the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have lots of black here, some clear parts, clear orange and clear red. That is clear red. So I think this is for the sword, the eyes, the door gun. So handle, sword, door gun, yeah. Naming, right? And so this is the A sprue. We have the B2 sprue. Here we have 2 of those. So this is all black, so that's the B2. We have the C1 sprue, which is also all black. We have parts here for the door gun and handle sword here, right? So that's C1, which also has a C2, and C2 is this tiny portion here of C1. We also have D, wherein these are all the metallic parts or metallic accents that drive has. So that's D. We have E1, which is the rest of the red, or more of the red, which is the red armor of drive. And we have the E2, which is the tire that goes around drive's body. And of course, let's not forget that they do include the standard stand, some transfer sheets, transfer stickers, foil stickers here, a very big one. And these are the options for changing belt, the expression, and more stickers for drive. And of course, we have the instruction manual. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figurai Standard Kamen Rider Drive, bringing you into top gear. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, sharing the videos, hitting that notification bell. And this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.